The easiest and tastiest high-protein salad recipe. I'm trying to lose weight in 2.5 months before my vacation, and I'm building muscle. And I promise you, this quick and delicious salad will help you hit your protein goals. We start with lettuce. Chop it or tear it by hand and add bell pepper and cherry tomatoes. Spray everything with lemon juice and add your favorite spices. I go with black pepper. Now the protein part. First, make a quick omelet with 1 or 2 eggs. You won't really taste it in the salad, but it adds extra protein. I mix the omelet with soy sauce for flavor. Next, cheese. A lot of people forget this, but cheese is actually very high in protein per serving. And of course, chicken. I cook chicken breast in the air fryer with just a drop of oil and some spices, then shred it into pieces. Throw everything into one bowl, lightly spray with oil and mix. On the screen you can see the calories, protein, fats, and carbs per serving. This was more than enough for me after a workout and helped me hit my daily protein intake. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more about healthy eating, training, fat loss, and muscle gain. See you!